Well, good morning, friends. I hope your day is off to a good start. I am thoroughly enjoying a chilly, dare I say chilly, morning here on the porch. I've sort of got a slower start to my morning. It was the kids' first day of school, so I'm allowing myself to just kind of slow down and take it in and miss them. But I thought it would be fun to kind of just share a slow morning slash afternoon with you guys at the house. I'm still getting settled here. We moved into our new home back in July, so slowly but surely getting settled. I thought I would share what I'm eating today and just kind of share some habits that I'm working towards really instilling in my day and throughout my day that help me to live a happier, healthier, both physically and mentally life. So if you're excited to come hang out today, make sure you keep watching. But for now, I'm just kind of enjoying my hot cup of coffee here and doing my little devotion and just taking it all in. I don't get mornings like this very often, but definitely enjoying this one. Make sure that you're fueling yourself in the morning. Don't let your body run on empty before you start your day. And it doesn't have to be complicated. I love this quick and simple breakfast of cottage cheese with berries. 1 cup of this cottage cheese is 28 grams of protein. And then on the side, I like a good complex carb. So I have some sprouted toast, a little peanut butter, some raw honey. And then for added fiber, I like to add tons of fruit. So I've got some banana. I'm going to top it with chia seeds, some wheat germ. And that's a great way to get my day started. I feel very satiated. It's very balanced, but it's not too much to where I feel stuffed. I just feel fueled enough to get my day going and have enough energy for my workout. And speaking of habits, something that I try to do every morning for myself is light a candle. On this morning, I lit a pumpkin cinnamon swirl candle. Smells delicious. Or get my diffuser going and clear my surface clutter. For me, that often looks like putting a bunch of things away from the mess of the morning, tackling the dishes, wiping the counters. It shouldn't take more than 10 or 15 minutes, and oh my word, it just puts me in such a better headspace for the rest of the day, which then in turn kind of snowballs my day. I end up making better choices. I'm in a better mood, a better headspace, and just taking those 10 minutes makes a huge difference. So I encourage you, if you've got a sink full of dishes right now, go tackle them. You'll feel so much better. Okay, so before we move on with our day, I wanted to stop really quick and thank Skims for sponsoring today's video. I have heard nothing but amazing things about Skims, and so I had to see what all the fuss was about. And let me tell you, I am quickly replacing all of my underwear ASAP. I love their products, and I just had to tell you about them because I'm on the verge of being obsessed here. I have always struggled with finding bralettes that were comfortable, but still gave you plenty of support. The bralette, specifically the scooped one, does just that. I love this bra so much that I ended up ordering 2 more because I don't want to go a day without wearing it. So I'll wear this one a day or 2, and when I put it in the wash, I've got another one to wear because it's that comfortable. This is such a flattering neckline that goes with virtually every single top that I wear. And when I tell you this feels like butter on your skin, it's like it's not even there, but it's supporting you in all the right places. I know this is kind of personal girl talk today, but I like comfort when it comes to underwear. I just do. And so I tried out their full brief, and the same thing happened. I ordered one, loved it so much, had to go back and order in every single color. So what I love about the full brief is that It has so much give. It's, again, like it's not even on. It's so comfortable, but you still somehow feel very supported. I love that it's really lightweight and seamless, so you can wear it under jeans or even running shorts, and you don't have that line that sometimes you'll see. It's like it's not even there. So definitely another product I couldn't recommend more.
And all you have to do is check out the link down in my description to check out the entire Fits Everybody collection. You guys are going to love it. So many great pieces, and they're available in sizes extra, extra small to 4X.
After you place your order, be sure to let them know that I sent you. Select YouTube when taking the survey, and be sure to select my channel name in the drop-down menu that follows. And again, a big thanks to Skims for sponsoring today's video.
If there's one healthy habit that's a non-negotiable for me at this point in my life, it's moving my body every single day. Doesn't matter if it's 5 a.m. or 10 p.m., I have to get some movement in. And sometimes that looks like running, sometimes that looks like walking or playing tennis or lifting really heavy at the gym or doing some pull-ups at home. It's not super specific. I don't follow a rigid plan, but every single day I make sure I move for 45 to 60 minutes to not only physically feel my best and be strong for my family, but oh man, I do it for my mental health, because when I move, I just feel so much better. I'm just a happier person all around when I get my exercise in.
Okay, so man, that lifted me in that last little circuit. I'm out of breath, but you guys saw some of that. But I ended up getting 4 miles in on the treadmill, so I feel great about that. And then got that full body circuit done. My arms are screaming. They are on fire right now, but feel good. Legs feel good. Got my full body workout in, and now I'm gonna go inside and kind of walk you through my little post-workout routine. Okay, post-workout time. This is a Core Power chocolate protein shake. Has 26 grams of protein. The wrapper came off when I went to open it up, so that's why there's no packaging on it. But it's just the chocolate Core Power protein. And to that, I'm going to do 1 scoop of creatine. I have been taking creatine after my workouts for several months now, and there have been so many studies done on creatine, both for muscular growth and repair, but also for cognitive function. There are so many cognitive benefits to taking creatine, so it's kind of become an essential supplement for me. Sorry, this is really hard to do one-handed. I just shake it into my protein shake. Sometimes I even just shake it into water or juice or whatever I'm drinking. It doesn't really taste like anything. I just buy the Thorn brand. I made a mess here. So I will sip on this over the next hour or so. And then in addition to that, I've got another full ice water here. I already drank one this morning. Try to get about 75, 80 ounces of water a day at least. On longer run days, more like 100 or 120 ounces. But to my water, to replenish all my electrolytes from that workout, I'm gonna do a package of Element. This is the citrus salt flavor. Love me some Element. Mix that in and sip on this for the next couple hours as well. So sometimes it's as simple as getting some things prepared like this, and you don't have to down it all at once, just kind of get it in over the next couple hours, and you will benefit so much post-workout and recovery. I feel better. I feel like the next day I'm not as sore, and definitely recommend some kind of protein, creatine, electrolyte combo after any kind of working out.
Okay, so I actually ended up running some errands after my workout. I had to put on a jacket, you guys. It is 63 degrees today, which is unheard of for August. It's fake fall today, so I'm going to fully embrace it. I had to go make some returns and just run a couple of errands, and so I was at Kohl's, and right by Kohl's is one of my favorite little coffee shops. It's where I usually buy my coffee beans, and so I'm going to pick up some beans. Needed to do that, but then also treat myself to a little latte or something, because this weather is just glorious. So let's go ahead inside.
one of my errands I forgot to mention earlier when I went into town was to do my farmer's market pickup. So we have a local farmer's market near us where it's virtual, so you can order from dozens of different farms in the area. And then pickup is at a church in town. So I don't usually do a big order, but I like to get some produce for the week here. So a little farmer's market haul. I've got some lettuce mix here for some salads. I've got fresh basil. I've got fresh chives. I've got some cucumbers. And then, oh my word, this is from a local bakery. They are cheddar jalapeno sourdough bagels. Yum. The only other thing I got was some assortment of cherry tomatoes. I always go through a lot of cherry tomatoes. So just a couple things I thought I'd share.
I find that I can get a lot of my veggie consumption in at lunchtime if I just make a massive salad. This is something I like to call the everything but the kitchen sink salad. I do a huge bowl of greens, rotisserie chicken, goat cheese or feta cheese, some candied nuts, and then I just put whatever raw veggies I have on hand or pickled veggies. I ended up doing some broccoli, some cucumber, some cherry tomatoes, carrots, apple, red onion. Sometimes I'll do pickled beets or pickled red onion, just whatever I have in the fridge on hand. I did some diced apple today because I'm using the Panera Fuji apple dressing on top.
Okay, if you're not using your largest mixing bowl to make your lunch salads, you're not using a big enough bowl. But I've got this beautiful salad here, all of those fresh veggies. I've got the chicken, a little goat cheese, some walnuts for some crunch, and that delicious Fuji apple salad, and not salad, dressing. And this is a massive volume, but that's how I like my salads. Nice and big and filling, keep me full until later. So I'm gonna sit down and devour this, and I'll check back in.
So I ended up working at my desk for probably 2 hours or so after lunch, and then I walked out to the bus stop to get the kids. And when I went outside, I just realized, man, it's too nice of a day not to be out here. So the kids and I have been playing outside the last couple of hours. I've been doing some yard work. I've also been cutting some weeds to use in arrangements, because you guys know that's what I like to do. I've been working on decorating the living room today, and I'm excited to show you guys in an upcoming video that'll be pretty soon here on my channel. But all that to say, sometimes you have to throw your plans to the side for the day and just enjoy a nice day. So that's what we've been doing. We've been outside, and now I'm gonna go head inside and get dinner started. Hi, baby. Hello, cutie. A lot of people have been asking about you.
Okay, friends, dinner is served. Oh my word, looks so good tonight. We all were kind of crazy and hustling and bustling and spending time together, so I didn't get to film cooking dinner tonight, but I wanted to show you guys what I made, and I'll leave the recipe down below. Caleb grilled for us some basil garlic chicken. We did like a basil-y, garlicky marinade. Ended up throwing it on the potatoes as well. And then did some garden fresh green beans. These are from a friend's garden. And then I cooked up some lentils in the rice cooker. Just adds some added fiber. I love to cook a big batch of those at the beginning of the week and have them with a lot of our dinners and lunches and salads and things. Just really good source of protein and fiber. So anyway, we're all gonna sit down and have a delicious meal, but I wanted to show you my plate.
Well, friends, the sun is slowly setting. I'm about to lose that sun. It's gonna go behind some trees here. I have to have my sunglasses on, it's so bright. But thanks for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun taking you along with me, just kind of going about my day. I always love these vlogs where I feel like we can just hang out and be friends, and I can share what I'm up to, what I'm eating, and how I'm trying to just make good choices when it comes to my health. I am so far from perfect. There are days I don't, do all the things I set out to do. I don't eat the things I set out to eat. But filming these videos not only holds myself accountable, but I hope then in turn inspires you to make good decisions for your health. I just had to preface with that though, like for every good day I have, there's always a bad day too. It's just all about consistency and waking up and trying to make the best choices you can every single day. You're not always going to be perfect, but if you show up 80% of the time, 70% of the time, that's going to make a big difference overall. So just want to encourage you with that. I'm still in my workout clothes from this morning. I just realized it's been kind of one of those days, but oh my word, my scoop bralette that I talked about earlier from Skims, so comfy, like I'm not even wearing anything. So makes for a super comfy day, workout attire and all. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. It sounds like the neighbor's getting ready to mow, so don't want to bug you with that loud noise, but thanks again for watching. I hope that it brought some encouragement to your day, or at least brought you a smile, and I'll see you really soon in my next one. Bye.